Maybe I'm weird to again. But just not me. This is Buddy. Say hi, Buddy. He plays Buddy. Yeah. Over there is Max, who plays Max, or some people call him Dog. He'll be seen quite frequently, but he does not have any lines. Eddie here does have some lines. He's eating soup. He just broke off a soft piece. Huh? So, I told you about episode 1, but episode 2 is the Halloween special called Halloween Maniac. Breakfast, the most important meal of the day. Yeah, that's episode 2. And you can email me and everything, and Buddy shares an email with me. I can't really respond to emails. Aww, Buddy's so cute. Okay, so yeah, Buddy. I'm just introducing another actor. We got Buddy. And then we got Max. Max, get down. We got Buddy. So yeah, we're gonna have some fun times. So, can't wait for the Weird Show to begin in October 2010, probably October 12th, 11th, 10th, I don't know, somewhere up in the double-digit places. And then the week after that is Halloween Maniac for Halloween. Gonna be here. The Halloween day, the day of Halloween, we will be talking to you from the computer. It's what's important, even for actors and stuff. So, as I at school till 2 o'clock, we'll see how that goes as far as everything.